EXO, Akira Miss Aguna. First, the two leaders, CTP, DRR, and girls. Daniela P. Coronel. Second, the two leaders, CTP, DRR, and girls. Jasmine Sabuanzo. Mami, Company Commander. Carl Matthew Oblan. Mami, Company EXO. Carl Joshua Marcos. First, the two leaders, Mami, DRRM. James Zeppler Santa Cruz. Second, the teacher, DRRM. Lisa A. Posuga. Principals, this is Francia P. Buffet Junior High School Department, and this is Benita Tonario Angeles Senior High School Department. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Mr. Jonathan P. Bueno. Assistant CTP MAPE Facilitator, Ms. Marisol Mendoza. Matrix Coordinators, Mr. Cesar Dimabaya, and Mr. Marvin Duterte, Mr. Eric Del Rosario. BBC PLC Coordinator, Band Director, Mr. Jonathan Casara, and Jonel Valeros. University President, Attorney Emmanuel S. D. Ortega. Ladies and gentlemen, CTP, MAPE, DRR, and unit of the University of St. Anthony.
University of St. Anthony Boy Scouts of the Philippines, your son, Senior Scout, Battalion Staff, Section Leader, Senior Scout, David Outfit Squad, Senior Scout, King, Iron Superior, Outfit Wrestler, Senior Scout, Harold, Javier Monte, Outfit Water Masters, Senior Scout, Jared Sevilla, Outfit Cheerleader, Senior Scout, Miguel Benita, Alpha Company Trio, Alpha Company Command, Senior Scout, Jose Junis Jr. Salam, Alpha Company EXO, Senior Scout, Joshua Henry Natalis, Alpha Company Bidon, Senior Scout, Destiny Easy Maywan, Alpha Company, Alpha Platoon Leader, Senior Scout, East Jacob Gaspe, Alpha Platoon Surgeon, Senior Scout, Zener Gabriel Kanisawa, Bravo Company Trio, Bravo Company Commander, Senior Scout Sebastiano Vargas, Bravo Company EXO, Senior Scout Carlo, Shelby Agrapa, Bravo Company Bidon, Senior Scout Alexis Santi Vinueva, Bravo Company, Bravo Platoon Leader, Senior Scout Ian Franco Gatas, Bravo Platoon Surgeon, Senior Scout Santos Robert P. Cooper, PSP Outfit, Number 7 Coordinator, Senior Scouter, Roy Sanberto, Ruben Over 28, Assistant Coordinator, Scouter Cyrus P. Arcilla, Scouter Gerald Bolivar, Junior High School Department, Mrs. Junita Marcory, and Dr. Francia T. Buffet, Assistant Principal. Senior High School Department, Mr. Carlito Saison and Mrs. Danita T. Angeles, Assistant Principals.
Thank you very much. And again, thank you very much, Dr. Jose B. Ballesteros.